she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another juice recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some lemonade strawberry. Yes, this one guys, it is gonna be a hit. You know that lemonade is already refreshing, plus with the strawberry, oh my gosh, I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please share. I thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I appreciate it so much. So guys, here I have 5 lemon. I'm also gonna add just a bit of ginger, because you know that I love my ginger already. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, okay? And these are my strawberries, and you can use as much as you like. This is the amount of strawberry that I'll be using, okay? So everything right here is already washed and clean, okay? So now I'm just gonna cut it up. So guys, I'm gonna peel my lemon. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it like so. Normally I used to just squeeze out the juice. See that? This is how I'm gonna do it. Try and remove as much as the white part. You can just come like so. Just take your time. So you see that? That's perfect. That's exactly what you want, okay? You just want to continue with the same process. So now I'm gonna cut my strawberries. Just gonna remove this green bit. So my ginger is all washed, so I'm just gonna cut it small. You don't have to remove the peel, just want to pretty much cut it, you know, small. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna add it to my bowl where the lemon are. I'm gonna add the ginger as well. So here I have my blender jug, so I'm just gonna add my strawberries and my lemon and my ginger. And guys, you can also cut your lemon up, okay? Cut them in 2 or so. But you know they are very soft, so they are easy to blend. I'm gonna add at least 1.5 to 2 cups of water. So now I'm just gonna put the lid on it and then blend it up. So guys, it is all blend. Make sure that the ginger is all blend out. Yeah, so now guys, I'm gonna strain it. You can use a cloth also. I'm gonna strain it at least 3 times, okay? Because I want it to be nice and smooth. If you want, you can just drink it as it is, okay? Look at that color. Gonna take a spoon or whatever you have and just stir it so it come right through, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna make a syrup for my lemonade strawberry juice. So to my pot, I add the lemon peel, I give it a wash, and I'm also gonna add some ginger. Just gonna add a small amount of ginger. So I add at least 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add at least another cup. Then I'm gonna add some sugar, and I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of my granulated sugar. You can also add brown sugar. I'm gonna give it a stir, and I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Because the reason why I add the lemon peel, because I feel like I'll get, you know, more out of the juice. So that's the reason why. So guys, it's been boiling for at least over, I'll say maybe 10 minutes or so. But what I did, I add some more water to it, okay? I add at least half cup to 1 more cup of water. So altogether, I add 3 cups of water. I'm gonna leave it for another 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, okay? As you can see, the sugar is all dissolved. That's perfect. Just half cover it so it doesn't boil over. And guys, once you're finished, what you want to do, you want to allow it to cool, then you're gonna strain it off, okay? Yes, it looks amazing and it smells so good. As you can see, the lemon peel is all soft, so all that flavor from the lemon peel is gonna go straight into the water. Yeah, very soft. See the color? Nice and yellow. Yeah, go back to this part, and as I said, allow it to strain for at least 3 times, okay? So guys, all together I strain it for at least 4 to 5 times, okay? Because I want it to be really smooth, so that's why. See that? Look at that color. The perfect color. Yeah. And I'm also gonna strain my syrup that I made. It just cooled down a bit, okay? It's not fully cool. And give it a stir. This looks so good. This is my type of drink, and you can just taste it to your liking, okay? So guys, you already know this is my favorite part. Now I'm gonna add some ice to my glass. You hear that? Add as much as you like. I love a lot of ice.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all.
I'm just gonna pour it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This looks so good.
From the kitchen, Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen.
So guys, I'm just gonna add some lemon slices just for presentation. It is totally optional. Just a strawberry right here. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make my strawberry lemonade juice. I'm telling you, it is a must try. It is absolutely refreshing. It tastes real good. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please share it, guys, to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much in advance. Until next time, bye. Love you all.